I'm Andrew.
And I'm Breanna.
And we're seniors here at Legacy STEAM High School.
A place where creativity,
teamwork,
and innovation come together. I'm captain of the football team, but I have also been in the engineering program for 4 years now. I joined because I love seeing how things are built and how every piece fits together.
And I'm the captain of the volleyball team. And I joined the RC engineering program 2 years ago so I can continue my mom's dream of being a computer engineer.
At STEAM Legacy, we're not just students.
We're problem solvers, innovators, and future engineers.
What I love most about this program is how hands-on it is.
Building hydrogen-powered race cars, designing 3D models, and turning those designs into real parts we use on the track.
We also code, fly drones, and solder.
And it's not just technical skills. It's creativity,
patience,
and teamwork.
Teamwork is everything here. Not every problem can be solved alone. Sometimes it takes a few brains to get an idea moving, and once it starts, we build off each other. Our team placed third in the World Championships in Germany, and this year, we have a chance to compete in the World Championships in Switzerland.
Knowing that our hard work can take us around the world makes us proud.
The engineering program has changed how I see the world. Every challenge is a chance to create something new.
We also learned that it's okay to fail. Every failure is a step towards a solution. And when you finally figure it out, it's the best feeling in the world. At STEAM Legacy, we don't just learn how things work, we make them better.
And we are so glad to call this our home.
Thanks for spending the day with us.
See you in school!